Hello, class of 2004. I'm your fellow classmate, Laura Cunningham. We all have our favorite memories of Furman, be it football games, a favorite professor in his class, or even the great times during O Week. We all walked the halls in our dorm rooms or the classrooms, and we probably gave very little thought to where the desks or the AV equipment came from. We probably even took one of the DH trays when it snowed to sled down a hill. Believe it or not, it's now been 5 years since we graduated. But even as young alumni, we're still very connected to Furman, even when we don't quite realize it. I wanted to remind you of our graduation speech, where we were each urged to be the change, and that even making small changes can be the catalyst for something much larger. Now, after 5 years being from Furman, this is the perfect time to give back. For those who generously gave our housing deposits for our senior gift, I wanted to let you know that those have finally ended after 5 years and a new fiscal year has begun. That means this is also the perfect time to continue those contributions and to give back and help shape the university that helped to shape us. Understandably, times are hard right now. People are either in graduate school or we're paying off debt, we're either beginning new jobs or sometimes beginning new families. But it's not so much how much we give, but that we do give something. I like to think that possibly I'm helping someone with a DH tray sled down on a snowy hill. To the class of 2004, I urge you to be the change.